Guys, as you've understood everything now we have to learn what is the best time to trade. So the best time to trade is actually the bank's time, when the Asian bank is open, when the London session is open, and when the New York session is open. But the most interesting thing is, I will tell you in the London time zone, so that all over the world, whomsoever is watching it gets the correct time frame. Go to the Google, write the time that I'm writing here. On London, the 6 to 10 a.m. time frame for London, you have to go to your own time frame and then check. Whenever London is having 6 to 10 a.m., 6 a.m. to 10 a.m., it's the best momentum from the banks. And again, then when in London it's 12 p.m. to 3 p.m., a lot of momentum is there, because that's in my time frame. It is in Dubai, it is a New York time frame. So that's why these two time frames, please mark them up, very very important: 6 to 10 and 12 to 3 p.m. for the London time. Okay, what you have to do is go on Google and check London time now. If it is 6 a.m., it is the correct time frame to trade on. Mostly it is the London time frame and the US time frame, New York time session. Okay.